Did you ever think to check your iPhone manufacturing date? Or when exactly was your iPhone manufactured? Is it 2020 or 2024? Or is it 2013 or so? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to check iPhone manufacturing date. This will tell you the exact year your iPhone was manufactured and the month. So literally, you can use your iPhone settings under this serial number to check out where your iPhone was manufactured. But if you want to know the exact year that your iPhone was manufactured, you need to look further into another platform. And the first thing you want to do when you want to check when your iPhone was manufactured is go to your iPhone settings, click on General, tap About, and copy your serial number. So this is compulsory. So once you copy your serial number, then open a browser. It could be Safari and it could be Chrome. So in this case, I'm going to use Chrome browser. Open the browser and go to this website or search for check coverage in Google. Check coverage. So once you search for check coverage, you want to click on the first result. This is check coverage, that is Apple coverage. Click on that, and for you to know exactly when your iPhone was manufactured, you'll be prompted to enter a device serial number. Then copy and paste your iPhone serial number. Now once you copied and paste your iPhone serial number, type this code. Do know that this code is case sensitive, so you want to make sure you type it as it is, otherwise you're not able to find out your iPhone serial number. So make sure you type it as it is, then click on submit. There you go. Once you hit the submit button, you should see the name of your iPhone. You can see I have iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this device was purchased December 2020. See that? So this was purchased December 2020, and this is my serial number. The fourth character on your iPhone serial number is always when your iPhone was manufactured. So this device was manufactured December 2020 according to check coverage platform. So this is how to check when your iPhone was manufactured, the exact date your iPhone was manufactured. So guys, if you found this really interesting, want to smash the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.